All right, Ryan, you just stepped outside and it's kind of mild.
Yeah, it's mild-ish. It's funny. I felt like it would feel better than it did, though.
It's the clouds.
Now
Yeah.
that
I think it's the clouds.
And I think now that it's darker too, like
Right.
I stepped out this afternoon and I was pleasantly surprised.
Maybe there's something to that, though. Once the sun goes down, it's so dark so early now.
Yeah.
But tomorrow is going to be the warmest day for most of us of the next several. And I think one of the bigger changes we have coming too is that the temperatures are actually going to be swinging, which we haven't had much
Yeah,
of.
it's been so steady for so
Yeah,
long.
the last 2 weeks we've just been in the 40s just about each and every day. But tomorrow there will be many places, particularly along the coastline, that hit 50. And then Saturday we have a shot of some chilly air that comes down. We'll be in the 30s. And there may be another one that comes early next week too. 36 could be optimistic. Some of our computer models are actually colder than that on Tuesday of next week. Right now though we have a southerly wind, which is a mild weather wind direction. So we're in the mid to upper 40s, even 50 right now in Portsmouth. It takes a little bit more of a push to get that milder air farther inland though, so it never really makes a touristic county, but central and southern Maine 40s to around 50 tomorrow. This is the rain that's coming. Most of it falls overnight tonight, and we'll show you this here hour by hour. Over the next couple of hours we remain dry, but after 7 or 8 o'clock some sprinkles and showers develop in Cumberland and York counties, and this continues moving east, so by midnight it's raining in much of central, southern, mid-coast Maine, and that keeps moving east through the night. So by 3 in the morning, steady rain falling for most of us, up around 50 in Portland. That's because of this southerly wind transporting warmer air in. There could be a touch of freezing rain in the coldest, deepest valleys, but I think it is a very limited issue, almost non-existent for the vast majority of us. This is just rain that comes through overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning is going to be damp. It'll be mostly cloudy, but there shouldn't be much steady rain. Can't rule out a shower or two, but overall most of the rain falls overnight into tomorrow morning. Coastline tomorrow gets into the low 50s. Inland areas may get close to 50, but a lot of times the true warmth struggles to come north in these cases. And up over the county, we stay around 40 for a high tomorrow. Tomorrow night, another round of rain coming through. This is with the cold front, but it's fast moving. So Thursday is a dry day. It is going to be breezy. It's going to be cooler with highs that'll be generally in the 40s and even in the 30s across the far north on your Thanksgiving Day. Here's a marine forecast. Sees 3 to 5 feet with a southerly wind 15 to 20 knots, gusting up to 30. So after that, colder air begins moving in. Highs on Friday, upper 30s to around 40, mid 30s on Saturday. The next system that comes in after that on Sunday does not look all that cold though. It might start out as a little bit of snow, but we should see a change over to rain that happens perhaps all the way to the mountains Sunday night. And then a second shot of cold air may come down for next Tuesday. So we're kind of riding more of a roller coaster now.
Yep.
And worth noting, there might be something out there middle of next week. And if we have the cold air here,
Right.
maybe it's something to watch. But we're talking 8 days out.
Okay, again, we're setting the mood here.
Yeah.
We are, yeah.
Changing the calendar.
All right, thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.